Growing lime plants cuttings can be a rewarding process. Here are step-by-step instructions for both methods. Growing lemon plants from cuttings, materials needed. A healthy lemon plant, pruning shears. Potting soil, small pots, clear plastic bag. Step-by-step instructions, select and prepare the cutting. Choose a healthy branch from a mature lemon tree, ideally one that's about 6 inches long and has at least 4 to 5 leaves. Cut the branch just below a leaf node using clean pruning shears. Prepare the cutting. Remove the leaves from the lower half of the cutting. Dip the cut end in rooting hormone optional to encourage root development. Plant the cutting. Fill a small pot with well-draining potting soil. Make a hole in the soil and insert the cutting, burying at least 2 to 3 inches of it. Firm the soil around the cutting and water lightly. Create a humid environment. Cover the pot with a clear plastic bag to create a mini greenhouse. Place the pot in a warm, bright location but out of direct sunlight. Rooting process. Keep the soil moist but not soggy. After about 6 to 8 weeks, gently tug on the cutting to check for resistance, indicating root growth. Transplanting. Once the cutting has established roots, transplant it into a larger pot with well-draining soil. Gradually acclimate the plant to more sunlight. Care for the plant. Place the plant in a sunny spot and water regularly. Fertilize monthly with a balanced fertilizer. Prune as needed to encourage a strong structure. General tips for lemon plant care. Light. Ensure the lemon plant receives at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. Watering. Water the plant deeply when the top inch of soil is dry. Avoid overwatering as lemons are prone to root rot. Fertilizing. Use a balanced citrus fertilizer during the growing season spring through summer. Humidity. Lemons thrive in humid environments. Mist the leaves occasionally or use a humidifier if indoors. With patience and care, you can successfully grow your own lemon plant at home. Join our community on YouTube for more organic gardening tips and tutorials. Subscribe today and never miss a video.